Yes.
Recently.
Something happened recently.
Correct. When something has happened recently, we use their simple past tense. Correct. When something has done recently, we use their simple past tense. Now, can you please give me what is the formula for simple past tense? Formula for simple past tense: noun or
Noun.
Noun pronoun plus verb second form.
correct, noun or pronoun plus verb second form we are going to have here. Okay, so this is the simple formula of simple past tense. Now when do we use simple past tense? When something is done recently. For example, I turn on the meeting, I join you. So just now only I drank some water, I had some water, I put on my phone on the charging. So we use simple past tense when something is done recently. So last time we have seen that today we are going to have here reading and speaking day, as it is Friday today. So we are going to have our reading and speaking. But today I want you to speak up first on your simple past tense. Then we are going to go ahead for the new lecture. Okay, for the new session, for the new chapter. I want you to speak up today with your simple past tense about yesterday's routine. About yesterday's routine. Okay, today you are going to speak about your yesterday's routine. It will help us a lot, especially in the interview. The moment when the interviewer will be asking you about your yesterday's routine, so you have to speak up here about your yesterday. For example, let me explain you here. How could you speak up about your yesterday so that you are going to come here on the camera? All of you, please be ready. Okay, everyone is going to turn on the camera today. Not even a single person will remain to speak up without the camera. Okay, everyone will come on the camera, so please be prepared. Be prepared and come on the camera to speak up today. So ultimately what I was telling you, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस, आप लोगों को सिंपल पास्ट टेंस के ऊपर बोलना है आप लोगों का डेली रूटीन. तो आप लोगों को कल के बारे में बोलना है. आप लोगों ने कल का दिन आप लोगों का कैसे बिताया था, कैसा, हाउ डिड यू स्पेंड योर यस्टरडे. यू आर गोइंग टू स्पीक अप हियर टुडे इन सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. जैसे मैंने आप लोगों को कल बताया भी था कि सिंपल पास्ट टेंस को आप लोग क्या करेंगे, उसके अंदर सिर्फ और सिर्फ आप लोग क्या करेंगे, सेकंड फॉर्म लगाएंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल, I woke up around 6, then I went to the John, then I brushed my teeth, then I had a shower, then I made breakfast, then I had breakfast, then I prepared myself for my classes, then I got dressed and I got ready for my classes, then I went to class, then I taught there from 7 to 12:30. So you are going to use your second form of verb while speaking about your past. While speaking about your yesterday, you're going to speak up over here. So I believe that all of you are practicing at home and you don't have any sort of queries. Do you have any doubts, any queries? किसी को कुछ पूछना है?
No, sir.
Okay, all perfect. So let's go. Let me just share with you. Let me mention my yesterday in front of you so that you can speak up in front of the camera. Okay. So good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Ansari DC. I'm Indian. I'm from Pune. I'm an engineer. Today I'm going to talk about my yesterday. Yesterday I woke up around 4:30 in the morning. It might be quite earlier. Then I had some meditation. Then I brushed my teeth. Then I had a shower. Then I prayed. Then I studied for some time about my personal things. Then I looked after my email and all. Then I prepared myself for classes. Then I went to class. Then I taught there till 9:30. Then I went to a hotel. Then I had their tea and some breakfast. Then I went to my college. Then I taught there till 12 o'clock. Sorry. Then I taught there till 11:30. Then I had a word with the in charge madam. Then I left the college at 12 o'clock. Then I went home. Then I had some snacks. Then I rested for some. Then I rested for a while. Then I prayed. Then I went to my one of my friends. Then I helped him. Then I went to my brother's shop and I helped him in his chores. Then I came back home. Then I had lunch. Then around 3, I went to the market for some my personal work. Then I got back home in the evening around 6:30. Then I had some supper. Then I prayed again and I had another class in the evening. So I attended the class. Then I taught there in the class for an hour, not for an hour, more than an hour, 1.5 hour taught there new things to my students. Then in the evening I had dinner. I prayed, and then I started working again on my laptop, and I had some of my errands which could be done at night only. So it took me a long time, and at night there was a power failure, so It was a very hectic time for me yesterday. Then I went to my father. I helped him in his errands, and I helped my mother in her chores as well. Then around 1 o'clock late nights, I slept off. Thank you. So this is what exactly you're going to speak up here naturally. Speak naturally as you are speaking Hindi or Marathi. देख कर नहीं बोलना है, सोच सोच कर नहीं बोलना है. Whatever is there, reality, speak up. Whatever the reality is there, speak up. It will help you a lot to speak much more better way. I get the point. अगर आप लोग वहां पे कुछ भी ठोकने की कोशिश करेंगे जो कि नकली है, कल मैं शाहरुख खान को मिला था, चांद पे गया था, गटर में उतरा था, ये सब चीजें उधर बोलना नहीं. जो रियलिटी है, स्पीक अप दैट, सो यू डोंट हैव टू थिंक अबाउट इट. सबसे बेस्ट चीज है, आप लोगों को अगर इंग्लिश बोलना है और इजीली बोलना है, फ्लुएंटली बोलना है, the simplest and the easiest way of speaking English is what? You are going to speak the reality. आप लोग वहां पे reality बोलेंगे. That's it. Simple. Reality बोलना start कर दो और आप लोगों को आ जाएगा. Getting it? So you don't have to think about it. Second thing, whatever the sentences you are making, just try to make by your heart. Just try to make by heart, and you'll be speaking easily. Is that clear? सोचना नहीं है. Start thinking in English only. So whatever the things are there, just start taking the names of them in English. Today, before going, I'll be giving you great tip of learning and speaking English easily. Okay? Good one. So who's the first person to come here? See, I can see here the students are quitting the meetings, but it is their loss. मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ उसके अंदर. कल के दिन बोलेंगे मैंने क्लास को आया था, क्लास लगाया था, फिर भी मेरे को इंग्लिश नहीं आई. It is your problem. You are not being consistent in the class. I'm really sorry for this one. And you are not coming regularly to class. And neither you're speaking. May God help you. So always remember, how do you speak? It matters a lot. So everyone has to come on the camera today. So be prepared. मैं सुनूंगा नहीं, मैं नहीं आ रहा, मैं नहीं आ रही, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. Everyone has to come on the camera and to speak up. All right? Good one. So who's going to come first? Who is going to come first to speak about yesterday?
Hello. Hello. Hello.
So is that clear? So sorry. So who's coming first to speak up over here? Yes? Any leader in my class? Who's going to come first to speak up? I can see most of the ladies are there today present in the class. Miss Supriya, ready? Good girl. Very good. She's the leader. Very nice, ma'am. Impressive. Yes. Can you please speak up? You're not audible, ma'am.
Good evening. I'm Kutis. Yes, sir, I'm audible
Yes.
now. Hi,
Yeah,
everyone.
Good.
Good evening. I'm Kutis Supriya. I'm a student.
No.
Early wake up and
Supriya Kute. Why do we
Supriya
call
Kute.
first name and the first name? Oh, wait a minute. Why do we call first name and the first name, last name and the last name? Because we have to say first name first, last name last. That's why. Simple. So
Good
Supriya
evening.
Kute.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. I'm Supriya Kute. I'm a student. Early wake up and tackle your day before it tackle you. I usually walk. Yesterday I woke up at 10 past 5. Then I had warm water. Then I had a warm water. Then sir once. Then I had a warm water. Then I did meditation for 30 minutes. Then I studied for an 3 hours. Then I had a breakfast. Then uh, then I helped my mom with her chores. Then helped my mom with her chores. Then I studied. Then I got ready for study. Then I studied for 2 to 3 hours. Then I had a lunch at 1 to 1:15 p.m. Around 1 to 1:15 p.m. Then I slept for 30 minutes. Or then I slept for 30 minutes. Then Then I freshened up and got ready for a study. And until 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock, I had a tea. Then I got. Then I went to walk up at our farm. Then uh, then I had a dinner at around 7 to 7 past 30. Then then I get ready for my. Then I got ready for my classes. Then I did a quick revision for what I did. Yes. Then what I did a whole day. Then uh, then I suffer. Then I chat with friends and then I went to the bed and sleep as well.
I had a
All
chat.
right. Thank you. Yes, sir, done.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you are not audible, sir.
सर आज बिल्कुल आवाज नहीं आ रही है। Sir, is there any issue regarding internet? Can't understand what are going. Hello.
Sir are left. Sir are left. I think they are reconnected. Reconnecting.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Pawar, due to some network issues.
एक्चुअली अब
Sir,
पावर फेलियर हुआ है तो इसके लिए प्रॉब्लम हुई है शायद नेटवर्क के लिए।
मुझे ये आवाज नहीं आ रही कि सबको आवाज नहीं आ रही भाई साहब जी?
नहीं किसी को नहीं आ रही है, किसी को नहीं आ रही।
सर नहीं है
Technically
मीटिंग
offline
में।
है।
अच्छा मतलब सबको आवाज नहीं आ रही। मैं सोचा मैं अलग से बाहर पड़ गया क्या?
नहीं एक्चुअली सर का
नहीं,
प्रॉब्लम
नहीं।
हो रहा है,
ओके।
नेट इशू हो रहा है।
सर लेफ्ट हो गए। आई थिंक रिकनेक्ट कर रहे हो।
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
I'm so sorry.
Yes, sir.
Actually, here in my area, yesterday also and today also, there was just a power failure. I'm so sorry, Miss Supriya. Really very sorry. Could you please come on the camera once again? And yeah, you are already on the camera. And please speak up once again from the beginning. Okay, I didn't listen to you.
Okay, sir.
Right?
No problem.
Good. And I'm really sorry to all of you. Thank you. Speak up.
Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Good evening. I'm Priya Kute. I'm a student. Um, Early wake up and tackle your day before it tackle you. I woke up at 10 past to 5. Then I had a warm water. Then I did meditation for 30 minutes. Then I had a breakfast. Then I did for 2 to 3 hours. After that, I had helped my mom with the chore. Then I studied for then I got ready for a study. Then I studied. After the study, I had a lunch at 1 p.m. Then I had a sleep for 30 minutes. Then I had a study until 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock, I had a tea. Then I went to our farm at a walk. Then I had a lunch around 7 past 30. Then I got ready for my classes. After the classes that I did a quick revision for what I did yesterday for a whole day. Then uh, then I went to the bed and sleep. Then I fall as a sleep. Thank you.
Fell asleep.
Fell asleep.
Yeah. Okay. That's good one. And I can see here in your overall speaking, you are committing a mistake with your singulars and plurals. I want you to go once again with the sentences of basic singulars and plurals. Is that clear? And uncountables as well. For example, I had a dinner. We can't say like this. Okay. And whenever there is a singular countable noun, we are going to put there a or an before this. Clear? So I believe that you are going to just revise your basic sentences once again. So it will help you a lot while making sentences. All right. Good one. Otherwise, you are speaking really good and you are the leader of this class. Good. Keep up because you are speaking first and see if you have such kind of quality that you are going to become the manager soon. Please tell a very good, very nice.
Very good. Very nice.
जिसने भी नहीं बोला उसका आर्टिकल अच्छा नहीं रहेगा जिसने नहीं बोला है. Please tell a very good, very nice.
Very good. Very nice.
Very good,
Very good,
very
very
good.
Very nice.
Good.
Good
Very
one.
nice.
Good one. Okay. Yes. Who's the next? Hello.
Sir, can I?
Okay. Yes. Who's the next?
Can I, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Please come on the camera.
Okay. Good
Very
evening,
good, girl.
everyone.
Miss Mahek is another leader of my class. Always she speaks the first. Good girl. Yes, ma'am. Speak up.
Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to tell about my past. Well, I usually
My name
get
is
up.
Angelina Jolie. I'm an actress.
Uh,
Introduce yourself.
I'm Mehak Pathan and I'm a student. Today I'm going to tell about my past. So well, I was usually get up at half half 8:30. Sorry, 8:30. Then I brushed my teeth and then I went to the bathroom and took shower. Then I attend my lectures and
Attended.
then after
Attended.
what, sir? Attended my lecture and then I went and then I went to the outside for walking and then I had my lunch. Then I prepare for myself. I prepare myself for study. Then after study, I had dinner. Sorry, I had lunch and then I went to the coaching class and came back 5:30. Then I made a coffee for me and drank. Then after some time, I attend my English lecture of Cambridge
Attended.
tutorial.
Attended.
Attended my English lecture of Cambridge tutorial, and then after this lecture, I again prepare myself for study. Then I had dinner. Then I spent time for family and watched a TV. Thank you.
Good one. Very good. Please tell a very good, very nice.
Very good, very nice.
Good one.
Very
I
good.
can see here one more
Very good,
same
very
thing. Same mistake, madam, you are also committing. Singulars and plurals. Singulars and plurals. Again, you have the same problem with singulars and plurals. See, I'm just warning all of you once again, please go and watch the videos of basic. ABCD, basic sentences like singulars and plurals and uncountables. Go and watch the videos and just try to make yourself amazing in this one. So it will help you a lot to speak up well and better. Okay, basic sentences जो थे हमारे singulars and plurals and uncountables के, उसके अंदर आप लोग mistake कर रहे हैं. I had a dinner. I went to restaurant. So a restaurant वहाँ पे आएगा. So whenever you are going to write have a singular countable noun, you should put there a or an before it. Yes or no? And whenever
Yes,
you're
sir.
making it with a plural, put there s or es, whatever in the noun. Apart from this one, just try to have here second form of the verb. Second form of the verb. Okay? Good. Next one. Who's the next? Very good girl.
Yes, sir. That's
Yes.
I'll go on.
Hello.
Wait a minute. Who? Ramesh, do you want to go?
Yeah, I have meetings, so I'll just
Okay, just speak
do
up then.
quickly.
Speak up then. Can you please come on the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
So good evening, everyone. I am Ramesh Tambuli. I am from Pune. So I want to tell you all how my yesterday went. So I woke up in the morning. At 6 o'clock. I prayed and then uh, I went to John and then I took a bath, and after that I did little exercise and started my day with logging into my work. And after that I started doing all my daily routine and stuff. In the afternoon I did my lunch, and after that I went back to my working and stuff, and then we had meetings and all. After completing my meetings, at the time of 5:30 I had tea, and then after, like, at the time of 7:30 I attended the classes for English tutorials, and after that I prayed for and did a little surfing on internet, and I had my dinner and watched some TV series, and then I went to sleep.
Good one. Really good one. I just want to suggest you only one thing, and that's what, just make your vocabulary awesome. I think I have sent you the OPD diction, means Oxford Picture Dictionary, on your mail. Download it, and everyone please, not only he, everyone please go and have at least one lesson of the book. Okay, at least one page. Go and study it. Why? Because it will help you a lot to make your vocabulary more awesome. While speaking, it will help you a lot. Okay. So for example, if you can just say there, I took tea, I did some studies, and also you can just make some good sentences over there. For example, I studied for some time. Instead of saying I did some studies, you can say directly I studied for some times. Then I had, like this, you can use there some of the words. Okay, it will help you a lot, inshallah. Otherwise, you're speaking really good. Impressive. Please tell him very good, very nice.
Very good, very nice.
Very good,
Very
very
good, very
nice.
nice. Good. Yes, who's the next to speak here?
Sir, can I but power failure यहाँ पे लाइट नहीं है.
Yes. Oh, madam, ऐसा?
अभी पता है ना आपको यहाँ पे लाइट गई है, कल से नहीं है.
Can I, sir?
Okay. Just wait. Yes, Miss Shaima, please speak up.
Okay. Without camera ना सर, क्योंकि मैं दिखूंगी नहीं.
Yeah.
Okay. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Shaima Sheikh. I am data analyst. Today I am going to share with you my yesterday's routine. I usually woke up around 8 o'clock. Then
No,
I
यहाँ पे
went.
usually नहीं आएगा.
फिर?
नहीं आएगा directly. You can say this.
Okay,
Yesterday
okay.
I woke up.
Okay, I woke up around 8 o'clock. Then I went to the John. Then I brushed my teeth. Then I had a breakfast. Then I took a bath. Then I logged into work and started completing my task of data analysis. Then I prayed in afternoon. Then I had a lunch. Then
I had lunch.
Then
Not,
I had lunch. Then I went back. Then I went back to work till 6 in the evening. After I finished work, then I got a freshen up, and then I drank tea. And I was wait to join the class. After
I
finished,
waited.
I
I
waited.
waited to join class.
But was आया ना वहाँ पे पहले ही दोनों ही
नहीं, वहाँ
लेते.
पे डायरेक्टली वर्ब लेना है अपने को. I waited to join the
Okay.
class.
I waited to join the class. After finish the class, I helped my mother in work and stuff. About 10 o'clock, I had dinner with my family. Then I watched TV for some time. Then I talked with my friends. Then I played Ludo game with my family. Then at about 12 o'clock, I went to bed and fell asleep. Thank you.
Nice one. Nice one. Same case here. I would like to tell you that please go for the vocabulary. All of you, please go for vocabulary. It will help you a lot while making sentences as well. Okay? Otherwise, she's speaking really good, and only some of the flaws are there, which are grammatical. As this is what we have just started our intermediate now, so we are going to have those grammatical mistakes correct as soon as possible. Okay? Now, in future, in case I'll be teaching you some of the good grammar tips and tricks that will help you a lot to make your sentences more efficient and more reliable while speaking. I'll tell you one more thing. As she said that after finish my work, correct? You must say there after finishing my work. Okay? वहाँ पे finishing क्यों आएगा, ing वाला क्यों लगेगा, कैसे लगेगा, वो हम लोग आगे देखेंगे. For example, yesterday I waited for the class, then I attended the class, then I started talking to my friend after finishing the class. So after finish the class नहीं आएगा, after finishing the class आएगा वहाँ पर. So this is what exactly वहाँ पे क्यों आ रहा है, कैसे आ रहा है, हम लोग आने वाले एपिसोड में देखेंगे in detail. Otherwise, she is speaking good. Please tell her very good, very nice.
Very good, very nice.
nice.
Good one.
Very good, very nice.
Good.
Very nice.
So next, Mr. Jai. Come on the camera.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ayush Srivastav, and today I want to share with my daily routine. Yesterday routine. I woke up 6 o'clock around. Then I went to the John. After that, I had a breakfast. Then after that, I had a took shower. After that, I prepared myself for my office. Then I went to my office around 9 o'clock. Then I reached my office around 10 o'clock. Then I lived in my office 10 to 6 o'clock. After that, I came to home. Then
Came home.
I came home. After that, I drank a coffee. Then I had
I
a
drank coffee, not a coffee.
I drank coffee. Then again,
Drank.
I took a shower. After that, I was waiting for my class. Then it was around 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. After that, my class, I watched the movie, sometime news channel also. Then I had a dinner. After that, I went for sleep. Thank you.
Good one. Same case. I had a shower, not I had a shower. So I had a shower should be there, and for uncountables we are not going to put there a. Is that clear? So
Yes,
I
sir.
would like to suggest you go for vocabulary as well as your basic sentences. Once again, please all of you go and watch the recordings of basics. Okay, please tell him very good, very nice.
Very
Short
good,
and
very
sweet.
nice.
Very
Good
good,
one.
very nice.
Good. Next one.
Very good, very nice.
अरे मैं उसको डायरेक्ट मीटिंग के बाहर ही फेंक दिया.
हाँ.
सर आपकी आवाज ही नहीं आ
Sorry.
रही है.
Mute.
I'm really sorry, guys. Can you please join once again? Sorry. Join once again.
ये अंदर मुझे लगा इतना अच्छा लगा.
Sorry हाँ. अरे वो
बाहर
मैंने वो जय को
बाहर।
डायरेक्टली रिमूव ही कर दिया.
बाहर आ.
और मैंने सेटिंग करके रखा हूँ कि एक बार जो रिमूव हुआ वो वापस आता नहीं फिर. Okay, by the way, I'm so sorry. Who's the next? Miss Zainab.
Hello.
Yes, Miss Zainab. Can you please come on the camera? Sorry, Jay. Sorry, गलती से हुआ है वो. Mr. Jay out of the meeting चले गए थे. Sorry. Okay. Yes, madam. Could you please?
Can I start?
Yes, please start.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Sana Punjabi. I am 23. Today I speak about my yesterday routine. I wake up around 6 a.m. Then I went to the John. I had a shower. Then I made a breakfast. Then I had breakfast. Then I prepared myself for studies. Then I went to the class around 8 a.m. to 9:30. Then I
Same.
came back home and prayed. Then I had lunch. Then I rest for some time. Then I watched dramas. Then I
Watched.
watched dramas. Then I helped my mom in kitchen. Then I chatted with my friends around 10 p.m. I had dinner. Then I gossiped with my family. Then I went outside with my friends and my family. Around 12 a.m. I went to bed and sleep. Thank you.
Okay. So one more thing is there. We can't say chatted. Why? Why?
Sir?
What is this? Because chatted nahi hota hai. Okay. The third form of chat is also chat. We can say I had a chat. Okay.
Okay.
I had a chat. Okay. We can't say I had chatted. Second thing is what I would like to suggest you the same. Go for vocabulary and especially go and study once again your simple past tense because you are going to use their second form regularly. Okay. Good one. Please tell her very good, very nice.
Very good, very nice.
Very good, very nice. Good. Teaching you here a very good grammar today. A grammar rule I'm going to teach you today. After the speaking. Who's the next to speak up? Miss Aisha?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Can you please come on the camera?
Yes.
कैमरे की आंख में आंख डाल के बोलना है मैडम. Very good. Come and speak up. Very good. All right. Ma'am, start please.
Good evening. Good night. Hey, no, sir. Wait.
Good evening.
Good evening, everyone.
Night. Can we say night while coming?
No.
Wait, ma'am. Can we say night while coming? Never. Okay. We must say good evening always.
Good evening, everyone. I am Aisha Sheikh. I'm an engineer. Today I'll discuss my study routine. I woke up yesterday at 5:15. Then then I went to John. Then I completed my salah. Then I recited Quran. Then I took shower. Then I made a breakfast. Then
Make
I went
breakfast,
to
not
made breakfast. Then I went to market to buy some vegetables. Mm, When then I came home and complete my household chores. Then I made lunch at around 3 o'clock. I took some rain. At evening, I gossiped with my husband with tea. At evening,
in the
three
evening.
in the evening, I joined my classes. In mid of class, I'll disconnected because of power failure yesterday. Then I made dinner. After dinner, I went to bed at half past 11. Thank you.
Good one. I'd like to tell you, ma'am, once again that you are lacking somewhere a little bit verbs. Okay. So I want to tell you that you must go for verbs mostly. Is that clear? And go for that OPD dictionary, Oxford Dictionary. It will help you a lot for learning vocabulary. By the way, it's a very good, very nice.
Very good,
Very
very
good,
nice.
very nice.
And ma'am, as you are speaking a little slow, just go a
Very
little
good.
faster. Okay. So
Okay.
start practicing at home, especially for reading with stopwatch. It will help you a lot. By the way, good one. Next one. Who's the next? Who's the next? Remaining. Miss Sahana, will you speak? Hello, madam. Hello. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, madam. मैडम ही म्यूट हो गई. Who's remaining next? Mr. Pawar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, will you speak, please?
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Can you
Yes, sir.
please
I will
come on the
try, sir.
camera? Yes, yes.
First, yes, sir. Yeah. First, there is my humble question to you, sir. Today I am getting again and again disconnected from the meeting. Is there a problem for everybody? I can't understand. Only I was getting disconnected. I can't understand it. It's
No problem at
better
all,
if
sir.
it's clarify. It's my humble request
Yeah,
to
yeah,
you.
yeah. I can understand, sir. Never mind. By the way, seeing you first time, it's a great pleasure.
Okay, sir.
Have good luck. Good. Speak up, sir.
I'm enjoying a very nice, and I feel very fresh to seeing you, like a very handsome personality. Okay,
अरे
sir.
नहीं, handsome कहाँ
Now
से
I
मैं?
share my yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Yesterday I woke up around 7:45. Then I listened to satsang till 8:30 a.m. Then I went to John, and again I slept till around 10:30. Then I had breakfast. Then also again I some help my daughter to in her study. Then I again slept uh, till 3-4 o'clock, and at the evening I joined this English
In the evening.
speaking course. And yesterday I didn't take my lunch because there was very heavy brunch in the morning, and at 9 o'clock we had a dinner. Then at nearby 2 p.m. we are going to sleep.
We went to
There
sleep.
yesterday there whole day I was in the home, so not done any more activities. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Good one. As he's so beginning and speaking, I'm really happy for this one. Please tell him very good, very nice.
Very good,
Very
very
good, very
nice.
nice.
Very good, very
Very,
nice.
very
Very
nice.
good, very nice.
Good one.
Thank you, sir.
And see, Sam sir, only the thing which you are lacking the most here is what verbs. I want to suggest you that you must go at least for 5 to 10 verbs daily. Just learn them. Okay? Just try to learn the verbs at home as much as you
Yes,
can.
sir. Thank you, sir.
It will help. Yeah, it will help you a lot while making sentences.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Otherwise, you're speaking really good, and some of the things are there which are grammatically wrong. We are going to have some grammar sentence means grammar rules and all later on, so it will help you a lot while speaking as well. That's really good. Good luck for your next time. Good. Miss Sahana, will you speak?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
यस मैडम. मैडम आप बहुत ज्यादा शरीफ हैं. इतना शरीफ आप बहुत कम बोलती हैं मैडम. बहुत ही कम आवाज में बोलती हैं. थोड़ा चिल्ला कर बोलना है मैम. हेलो.
मुझे डर लग रहा है.
और मैडम डर रही हैं आप. थोड़ा सा नीचे देखो. नीचे यहाँ पर एक सना जैनब बोलकर मैडम है एक. उनके साथ में रहो जरा मैडम. थोड़ी सी आप थोड़ी गुंडी बिंडी बन जाएंगी. और है हमारे पास में वो थोड़ी महक मैडम के पास से भी ट्रेनिंग ले सकती हैं आप. डरना नहीं मैडम. यस, कैन यू प्लीज कम ऑन द कैमरा. हेलो.
Sir, without camera.
यस, टर्न ऑन द कैमरा. और मैडम कब तक के विदाउट कैमरा बोलेंगे आप?
Only today.
डोंट वरी मैडम. प्लीज कम ऑन द कैमरा. कम. ओनली टुडे. नहीं. आज जुमा है और आज सब लोग नहाकर आए मैडम. तो आज सबके सब कैमरे पे आने वाले हैं मैडम. प्लीज ट्राई. यस. हेलो.
Hello.
Okay. Speak up without camera. No problem. Speak up. A little loudly, okay? Little loudly. Speak up, please.
Good evening, everyone. I am Sahana. I am a student. Today I am going to share with you my yesterday's routine. Yesterday I got up early in the morning, then I brushed my teeth, then I had a shower, then I made my breakfast and had my breakfast. In the afternoon I had my lunch and then in the evening I watched a movie and then I did my homework at 7:30 I attended my Cambridge tutorial class. After my class, I had dinner and I went to bed at around 12 p.m. Thank you.
Good one. Very good. Please celebrate it. Very nice.
Very good, very nice.
Very good, very
Very
nice.
Very good.
Good
Very
one.
good, very nice.
Very good. By the way, I'm so happy, ma'am, for you. Okay, that you are speaking really good. I'm happy for you, and we are going to teach you more and more in easiest way to speak up over here, so that it will help you a lot to speak up amazing. Okay. Now let me tell you here a short story. Then we are going to go ahead. I'm going to ask a very simple question to all of you. Not a story exactly. I'm going to ask you a very simple question that I have asked you before as well. But some of the new students are here in my class, so I'm going to ask you that question once again, so that it will help you a lot to have your motivated atmosphere. By the way, my question is there to Mr. Pawar. Can you please unmute yourself, Mr. Pawar? Mr. Vishwas, can you please unmute yourself? Unmute कीजिए sir अपने आप को. I want to talk to you. I think it's not working with him. Okay, the question is from Miss Supriya.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. क्या
Yeah, sir. मुझे अभी आपका आवाज
बोलिए
अभी आ रहा
सर.
है. Are you listening me well?
Yes, sir.
Good one. So my question is there to you. Suppose if you see there, अगर मैं आपको बोलूंगा आपका सक्सेस, आपको जो सक्सेस चाहिए आपकी लाइफ के
सर
अंदर.
आपकी आवाज, मेरी आवाज आ रही है सर?
यस आ रही है, मुझे क्लियर आ रही है आपकी आवाज, बेस्ट आ रही है एकदम.
हाँ बोलिए सर.
अभी अगर मैं आपको अगर बोलूंगा,
Yes, sir. I am listening you.
Yeah, if I tell you that you are going to gain your success, but you have to go to Kashmir, okay? अगर आपको सक्सेस अगर चाहिए, like Ambani, okay? Fully satisfied, happy, and there are many things, lot of money, lot of happiness, lot of comfort, lot of satisfaction. If you want it, you will get it in. There is the key of your success is in Kashmir. If I tell you the key of your success is in Kashmir, and you have to go to Kashmir today itself, how will you go? अगर मैं बोलूंगा कि आपके सक्सेस का की कश्मीर में है और आपको आज ही जाना पड़ेगा, तो आप कैसे जाएंगे सर? कैसे जाएंगे आप?
हेलो.
यस सर, कैसे जाएंगे आप? कश्मीर जाना है आपको, कैसे जाएंगे? हेलो सर, आपको आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
हेलो sir, are you speaking to me or anybody else? Hello.
I'm speaking to you sir only. I'm speaking to you.
सर मुझे सवाल ही समझा नहीं, दोबारा बताएंगे. मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था.
Okay. I'm just
repeating. अभी आपकी आवाज मेरे को आ रही है. मैं अगेन डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था. दोबारा पूछेंगे सवाल तो बता पाऊंगा.
Yes, I'll be repeating the question once again for you. Suppose if I ask you that you have to go to Kashmir, why? Because the success.
हाँ सर, मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था. अभी बताइए सर प्लीज.
Okay, are you listening me well?
हाँ.
Good. Okay, suppose if I tell you, if you want to gain the success of the key, so you have to go to Kashmir today itself.
हाँ yes sir, बोलिए.
Okay, so how will you go to Kashmir? Okay, wait.
Yes, I am listening with sir.
Wait. Okay, let me ask Miss Supriya.
Yes,
Supriya, are you audible?
Of my success.
Wait. Miss Supriya, are you audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Now my simple question is to you is what? Suppose for example, if you want to gain the success and the key of your success is in Kashmir and you have to go to Kashmir today itself, how will you go?
How will go to Kashmir? How will I go to Kashmir, sir? Is this the question?
Yeah.
By plane.
By plane. Okay. By plane, you're going to go there. Simple. If you're going by plane, suppose plane are not working. Why? Because of this pandemic. Planes are not working. They're not flying. What are you going to do?
By train.
Okay, you're going to go by train, but suddenly you found there was a strike of the train. Now what are you going to do?
By bus.
Okay, suppose you went to the bus and you found there even the buses are not working because of heavy rain.
By car.
Okay, you're going by your own car. As you crossed Pune and you found that your car was completely punctured. What are you going to do?
Ola, Uber.
Okay, now you're going to go by a taxi, correct?
Ola, Uber.
Now let me tell you one more thing. Please, all of you listen to me carefully. All of you, please listen to me carefully. Here is a simple theory that if you see here, she was planning to go by the plane, then she went by train, then she tried by bus, then she tried by the car. Ultimately, she is going by the taxi right now. Yes or no? And even if she gets some kind of accident over here, accident means what? Not road accident. Some of the accidents that she hasn't found any sort of good taxi. What is she going to do? What is the next, madam?
Bike.
Okay, at least she's going to go by the bike.
If possible.
अभी इतने भी hurdles नहीं आते life के अंदर इतना try करने के बाद में. Okay, so if she's going by the bike, are you seeing here the efforts? Effort number 1, correct? Effort number 2, effort number 3, effort number 4, next effort number 5, next effort number 6. Now just to gain success, she got to know that yes, the key of my success is in Kashmir. She tried these 6 things. इसको बोलते हैं dedication. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Dedication बोलते हैं इसको. उनको चाहिए था, जब कोई चीज हम लोगों को चाहिए होती है तो हम लोग उसके लिए कुछ भी करते हैं. जय को मालूम पड़ा उसका वेट कर रही है दीपिका पादुकोण कहाँ पे? कश्मीर के कोने के अंदर. अब जय उधर से कैसे धड़ पड़ के जाना है जय को मालूम है कि नहीं? इससे जाऊंगा उससे जाऊंगा लटक के जाऊंगा लिफ्ट लेके जाऊंगा. अगर बाइक भी नहीं मिली तो लास्ट में क्या करूंगा भाई मैं? एफर्ट नंबर 7 इज व्हाट? लिफ्ट. एटलीस्ट मैं क्या करूंगा? लिफ्ट लेकर जाऊंगा, पर जाऊंगा जरूर उधर. नाउ लेट मी टेल यू हियर वन मोर थिंग. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू मोटिवेट ऑल ऑफ यू हियर just by one single story. One simple story is there, one single story is there, and very simple story that once what happened, there was a village, and in that village 100 people were there. 100 houses were there, means what? 100 people. Suppose 100 people were there. Amongst them one man was there. That man was an educated person and he was quite intelligent and he has been called as a gentleman. उसके अंदर का एक आदमी था जो कि काफी एजुकेटेड था, अच्छा था, सीखा हुआ था, पढ़ा लिखा था, दिमाग वाला था. Amongst those 100 people in the village, he was one gentleman. वो एक gentleman था उसके अंदर. So what he did, he put his efforts, उसने अपने efforts लगाया, and he went to Mumbai. From village, he went to Mumbai. उसके वहां से मुंबई जो था, उसके विलेज से मुंबई था 100 किलोमीटर. 100 किलोमीटर था उसके घर से मुंबई. So he went and he bought some lanterns. What do you mean by lantern? See, the moment when I speak over here, there are two things. मैं यहाँ पे आप लोग को जो स्टोरी बोलता हूँ तो मैं बच्चे चले नहीं कर रहा हूँ. क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? उसके पीछे बहुत सारी वजह है. वजह तुम हो, ध्यान देना. यहाँ पर जो मैं स्टोरी बोलता हूँ, point number 1, I want to motivate you. Point number 2, I want to make you awake, alert. Point number 3, whatever I'm speaking over here, if I just say some new words, good vocabulary is there, go and get that vocabulary. If you don't know the spelling, ask me. I'll be telling you the spelling. Go and get that vocabulary and it will help you a lot while speaking next time. Point number 4, it is the art of storytelling. which you are learning from my side. So how to tell a story in English, you're learning from my side. This is what exactly you can just speak up on a stage and you will become a very good motivational speaker, as well as a good public speaker as well. And you can tell a story anywhere. Is that clear? Next one. So what happened, one of them, amongst those 100 people, one of them was a very gentleman. And what he did, he went to Mumbai, 100 kilometer away from his village. He bought some lanterns. Lantern क्या होता है? Lantern
कंदील
होता है
होता है
lamp.
वो जो.
Correct. कंदील होते हैं ना, lamp कंदील होता है. He bought some lanterns, and what he did, he put up those lanterns in his home. उसने अपने घर में लगाया. And that village was a very poor village. वो जिस village से था जहाँ पे ये 100 घर है, जहाँ पे 100 लोग रहते हैं यहाँ पर ये जो village है, it is a very poor village. They don't have even the electricity in this village. वो village के अंदर electricity भी नहीं है. And at night people come by the crossroads to sit. रात में लोग खाना पीना खाते, मस्त जेवन बीवन लेके आके रात में शाम में, हाय रामे, हाय गाने, अय इम्मू, अ बबलू, है या रफीक भाई, शफीक भाई, सब आके एकदम मस्त में बैठते हैं चौक में और वहां पे गॉसिप करते हैं. एंड उसके
Sir, your sound was cutting. Hello? Sir, you are not audible. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You
Am
are
I
not
audible to all
audible.
of you?
Yes.
Is my voice clear now?
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Can you speak again?
Yeah. So what happened? That man lightened his house. उसने अपने घर को एकदम मस्त रोशन किया. He illuminated his house, lightened his house and made it so brighter. अब उसने जब लोगों ने देखा, the whole village was completely dark and black. Correct? पूरा रात में village जो था काला काला हो गया था, except that man's house. उसके घर के अंदर क्या लग रहे थे? कंदील जले हुए थे, जो उसने लेकर आया था मुंबई से जाकर. Now people had only two choice. People have only two choice. लोगों के पास में दो, अभी पूरे विलेज के अंदर अंधेरा था, पूरे विलेज के अंदर डार्कनेस था. खाली वो जो जेंटलमैन था उसके घर के अंदर क्या था? लाइट लगी हुई थी. Now people had only two choices there. Choice number one, either they should go to Mumbai, put some efforts, earn a lot of money, put some efforts, go to Mumbai and buy some lanterns. Yes or no? And lighten up their houses. Correct? पहला ये था. Second choice was there. What was that? Go and destroy that man's house. Which one is easier?
Go to
First one is there. Have some efforts, put some money, go to Mumbai, buy some lanterns and light up your house. And go and destroy the house of that man who is the gentleman in the village and just make him like us. Which one is easier? Hello? आप लोग को आवाज आ रहा है मेरा?
yes, sir.
हाँ, आंसर मी प्लीज. दोनों में से इजी वाला कौन सा ट्रिक है?
Yeah.
हेलो?
Second.
आई थिंक मुझे लग रहा है मेरे इंटरनेट का कुछ प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
First.
आंसर मी प्लीज. Which one is easy?
Second, go destroy.
करेक्ट, सेकंड. एब्सोल्युटली. मैं आप लोगों को सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि एक गांव था, बहुत ही गरीब गांव था, जिसके अंदर 100 घर थे. वहां पर उसमें से एक घर वाला जो था बंदा, उसको दिमाग आया, उसने क्या किया, वो मुंबई गया, पैसे लगाया, एफर्ट्स लगाया, मुंबई गया 100 किलोमीटर अवे. ही बॉट सम लैंटर्न्स. उसने अपने घर को क्या किया? जगमग कर दिया. अब पूरा गांव जो था रात में काला काला हो रहा था और उसको अकेले का घर कैसे दिख रहा था? एकदम मस्त कड़क दिख रहा था उसका घर. बाकी लोगों ने सोचा, अरे यार रामे का घर इतना अच्छा दिख रहा है, अभी अपना घर का क्या करना है? तो अब लोगों के पास में दो चॉइसेस थे. चॉइस नंबर वन, पुट योर ओन एफर्ट्स, गो टू मुंबई एंड बाय सम लैंटर्न्स एंड मेक योर हाउस मोर ब्राइटर एंड अमेजिंग. करेक्ट? ग्लिटर योर हाउस. एंड सेकंड चॉइस इज व्हाट? गो एंड डिस्ट्रॉय दैट मैन्स हाउस. जाके उसका भी घर फोड़ डालो, जैसा वो अपन है वांदे, ऐसा उसको भी वांदा बना डालो. विच वन इज इजी? सेकंड वन. और लोग क्या करते हैं? वही करते हैं. यस नो? यस नो?
Yes.
आज के जमाने में लोग वही करते हैं, जाते हैं दूसरे को डिस्ट्रॉय करते हैं। हम जैसे गटर में है, तू भी गटर में आ। उन लोग का बोलने का मकसद ये होता है कि हम जैसे वांदे हैं, तू भी वांदा बन। So this is what exactly happening with the people, with the society. Now let me tell you here, don't listen to the people outside. Are you getting the point? And especially Miss Sahana, whatever you are fearing, I believe that you are not going to fear all these things later. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So remember, don't think about the people, what people are saying. Live your own life. Enjoy your own self. Is that clear?
Yes.
And make yourself so amazing by speaking, by coming on the camera. Is that clear? I'm really happy that you are speaking good and you're going to speak up amazing in future as well. All right, any doubts to anyone? I hope you have understood some of the things from this short story, that the people are going to go for destruction only, not for loving and for the affections. So better than that, rather than putting your efforts into the people's suggestions and opinions, go for your own. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
गुड वन. बाय द वे, बिना किसी टाइम पास के हम लोग, मैं आप लोगों को एक जाने से पहले एक छोटा सा एक रूल समझा देता हूँ. It will help you a lot. Now for example, some of the students are there which they are committing mistake. यार मेरा इंटरनेट आज ऐसे लग रहा है मैं इंटरनेट की केबल निकाले फेंक देता हूँ उठा के. Sorry.
Sir, can I ask a question?
Are you listening me?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
please.
Yes, sir.
सर बुक में जो टेंस होता है वो कौन सा होता है, मतलब इंफॉर्मेशन कैसे भी मिलती है, उसमें कौन सा टेंस यूज किए होते, लाइक
सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस होता है सबसे ज्यादा. Pardon? Yes, ma'am. Hello.
यस सर.
आवाज आ रहा है आप लोगों को मेरा?
Yes, sir.
I'm so sorry, आज कुछ इंटरनेट का बहुत ज्यादा ही नाटक चल रहा है. And it is going really very third class. By the way, the words which I have written on the screen, can you please read it? Read the words which are on the screen.
Lost,
Relax,
relax,
watch,
push, finish,
miss,
miss, dance.
Very good. अब यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम क्या है मालूम है? हमारे यहाँ पे कुछ लोगों को आप लोगों ने सुना रहेगा आस्क्ड, टॉक्ड, रिलैक्स्ड, तो वहाँ पे ड का साउंड नहीं आता है. A very simple rule is there in English. Now the rule is saying there are some sounds in English, like what are those sounds? For example, p, k, f, s, sh, s. These are the sounds which are coming with ed at the end. Ed at the end, the sound will become t. The sound will be t. Rather than ed, the sound will be t. Okay? Simple rule is there. Whenever a word is ending with p, k, f, s, sh, ch, even t, even d, sh, s, ch, with all these sounds, if a word is ending with ed, so the sound will be what? T instead of d. Sound will be t instead of d. Let me explain you how. For example, here, if you see here, per sound is there. What is this? Hoped. We can't say hoped. Ending with per with ed. Ending with p, per sound with ed. Ending with per sound with ed. That's what? Hoped. All right, not hoped. Okay, same case. We can say hopped. If you see ending with per sound with ed, sound will be what? T, not hopped. That's what? Hopped. Next one, ending with k. For example, asked. We don't say asked. We say asked. Ending with k sound with ed, sound will be what? T, asked. हमारे यहाँ पे बोलते हैं asked, locked, relaxed नहीं, Dirty. T. Sound will be what? T. Asked. Next, locked. Locked. He locked the door. She locked the door. I asked him. She asked me. I asked her. So sound will be what? T, not D. Next, locked. Locked. Next, ending with fur. Fur sound. For example, I just hate it. Internet. Can you please give me some examples of ending with fur sound with ed? Ending with fur sound with ed. Any example? Fur sound with ed. Laughed. Ending with fur sound with ed. Yes or no? Laughed. 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 So laughed ending with ed with fur sound. Sound will be what? T, not D. We say laughed, laughed. We don't say laughed. Okay, ending with fur. For example, sniffed, sniffed, sniffed. Ending with fur sound with ed. Sniffed, sniffed, sniffed. वो रहता है ना? दम मारो दम. Sniffed, sniffing होता है ना? Next one, ending with s sound with ed. For example, danced, danced, danced. We don't say danced. Danced. Ending with s sound with ed. Next, messed, messed, messed up, messed up. Mice have messed up the kitchen. So messed, messed. Next, missed, missed, missed. If you see here, we say missed call. We don't say missed call. वरना अपना मिसड़ पा हो जाएगा वो. Missed. Ending with s with ed. Missed, missed. Next one, show. Show sound with ed. For example, finished, finished. We don't say finished. We say finished, finished, finished. Pushed, pushed, pushed. We don't say pushed, pushed. Next, s sound. For example, relaxed, 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 relaxed. Mixed, 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 mixed. We say mixed. Okay. Mixed. All right. Mixed. We don't say mixed. That's what mixed. 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 The sound will be there. Next, pushed, pushed, pushed. Next, watched. Ending with ch sound with ed. Sound will be what? Watched. I watched a movie. Watched, watched, watched. Okay. So it is not watched. It is what? Watched. All right. So there are some words in English which are ending with such sounds, and the sound will be what? T, t, t. Okay. So with the verbs only. Any doubts to anyone? Very simple rule is there. A very simple rule is there. With these sounds, if a word is ending with ed, sound will be t. For example, asked, locked, relaxed, mixed, watched, pushed, finished, missed, hopped, hoped, danced, messed, laughed, sniffed, etc. So these are the words which are ending with ed, ed with these sounds, and sound will be what? T at the end. Any questions? Any doubts?
सर आपने कहा
You
था
will
ना
find
वो
this. Yes, yes.
जो फिनिश की जगह पे फिनिशिंग भी यूज कर सकते हैं.
वो एक अलग रूल है, वो मैं आपको आगे चल के बताने वाला हूँ. थोड़ा लंबा चौड़ा रूल है वो. So that I'll teach you in future in case whenever we are going to have all these things. Actually वो gerund है वो मैम. वो gerund है, वो लगता verb है पर verb नहीं, वो noun है वहाँ पर. क्यों है, कैसा है, वो मैं आप लोगों को एकदम डिटेल में बताने वाला हूँ. That how can you just make it easier. Okay, so ये बुक मैंने आप लोगों को दिया हूँ, जो हमारा लिखा हुआ खुद का बुक है. ये बुक के अंदर जो मैंने आज आप लोगों को रूल पढ़ाया है, ये रूल वहाँ पर ऑलरेडी है on the page number 51. Are you able to see this one? Page number 51 के ऊपर ये रूल है वहाँ पर.
Yes sir.
Seeing here.
Yes.
So this is the simple rule that the rule is saying if ed is at the end of some words, like for example ending with t, p, k, f, s, sh, ch, okay, and s, with these sound will be what? T. For example, p के साथ में कैसे end हो रहा है? Stopped, hopped, hooped. With f sound, puffed, sniffed, laughed. With sh sound, pushed, finished, smashed. With s sound, relaxed, fixed, mixed. With k sound, worked, asked, locked. With s sound, passed, missed, danced. With ch sound, stitched and marched. Okay, but sound will be d only if it is an adjective. अगर adjective रहेगा तो adjective क्या होता है future में बताने वाला हूँ. For example, crooked, wretched, blessed, aged, ragged, learned. Okay, वो क्या होता है मैं आप लोग को आगे बताने वाला हूँ. But ये हमारा main rule है. Exceptions कभी कभी आता है और exception ज्यादा rule बिल बनाता नहीं. So main rule हमारा ये वाला है. आप लोगों को इसके ऊपर फोकस करना है. Is that clear? तो आज के बाद अगर आप लोग सिंपल पास्ट टेंस के ऊपर सेंटेंस बना रहे हो, so you should be very clear that whatever you're speaking there, you shouldn't say I locked the door, I asked him, okay, I worked in the office. तो ये आपको बोलना नहीं है वरना गलत हो जाएगा. Okay, that's what the sound will be. What? Any doubts to anyone?
Sir, what do you mean by sniff?
Sniffed, वो मालूम है वो ये लेते हैं ड्रग्स वगैरह का चरस बिरस लेते हो, कोई चीज को सूंघना ऐसे खींचना, कश कश बोलते स्निफिंग. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, so please practice at home, and if you have any queries, any questions, you may ask me. All right, good one. We'll see you tomorrow. All of you, please quit the meeting. Thank you. Tomorrow means what? On Monday. We'll see you on Monday. Cheerio.
Video.